Every fine cassava flour begins with the root.
Precision harvesting ensures quality for the mill.
The journey from soil to processing begins.
Fresh roots must arrive quickly.
Industry awaits the harvest.
Flow control begins before processing.
The first step transforms roots into flour.
Continuous motion defines efficiency.
Quality control starts in the field. Order guides volume.
Preparation begins here. Clean roots ensure pure flour.
Each stage feeds the next.
Transformation is about to begin.
Outer layers are stripped away. Nothing unnecessary moves ahead.
Precision sharpens purity.
Solid roots become processable mass.
Structure gives way to flow. Starch is drawn from the fiber.
Movement unlocks value.
Unwanted fibers fall away.
Purity continues downstream.
Time and gravity refine the process. Moisture is carefully removed.
The foundation of fine flour is set.
Controlled heat drives consistency.
Moisture leaves, structure remains. Dryness prepares for precision. Temperature is carefully balanced.
Grinding defines the final form.
Power meets precision. Airflow moves the product. Uniformity is enforced.
Nothing is wasted.
Consistency achieved.
Production flows without pause.
Control maintains balance.
Controlled release sustains the process.
Flow is measured, not rushed.
Stability defines shelf life. Balance is restored.
Human control refines automation.
Consistency is engineered. Safety is verified silently.
Quality is constantly checked. Only approved material proceeds. The core process nears completion.
Precision takes the lead.
Transformation reaches its peak.
Every particle is shaped.
Air becomes a conveyor.
Physics perfects the product.
Only uniformity moves ahead.
Moisture defines quality.
Data guides perfection. Stability is locked in. Uniformity is engineered.
The transformation is complete.
The final journey begins. Automation becomes the backbone. Every movement is calculated.
Precision replaces guesswork.
Balance is constantly checked.
Decisions happen in milliseconds.
Machines learn to see. Cleanliness never stops production. Problems are solved before they exist. Even the air is controlled. The factory breathes as one. Automation hands over perfection.
Purity is refined to its final form.
Every grain is measured.
Texture meets precision. Stability is engineered.
Human eyes confirm machine accuracy.
Quantity meets control. protection without interruption. Safety is silently confirmed. Consistency is locked in. Everything pauses in balance. Finishing hands over to packaging. Packaging begins with precision. Each bag receives its measure. Accuracy is confirmed in motion. Freshness is locked inside.
Seals are set for the journey.
Traceability is added.
Identity meets product. Quality never blinks. Scale adapts to demand.
Packaging flows into storage.
Storage begins with order.
Inventory moves digitally.
Orders come alive. The exit is prepared. Transport begins its role.
Quality control looks solid on this run.
Agreed. I'll finalize the report and clear it for shipping.
By optimizing our logistics, we ensure the freshest cassava flour reaches you efficiently. Thank you for your partnership.